Now, MT4 has been around since I think about 2005, and it was built for the Forex world. It's very good for EA strategy building. That's your algorithmic automated strategy programs you can plug into it. All very good for that. It is quite complicated and confusing to get used to if you're new to trading, and it can be, like I say, a little bit frustrating, but you've got to give it a bit of time. But it's 18 years old or so, and not many people realize that it has a younger, more leaner brother called MT5, and in the broking world they're starting to offer more and more of this platform. So why would you want to use MT5 over MT4? Well, I've got 10 reasons and a bonus reason why, especially if you're new to trading, you want to focus in on MT5. You'll thank me later for the advice. So what are those reasons? So I'm basically saying MT5 is better than its older brother MT4. Now I'm going to give you 10 reasons for that, and you can make your own mind up. You've got to get your hands on it, download it. It's all free to get into anyway, so you can test it thoroughly. But these are my 10 reasons why I think MT5 is better than MT4 and why you should be using MT5 now and not MT4. So first, MT5 is more advanced. It's got more advanced trading tools. It offers a wider range of these trading tools and indicators compared to MT4, which, as you get experienced in the world of trading, that makes it much more suitable, flexible, usable for your ideas and strategies. Second, there's more time frames in MT5, and that allows more precise analysis and trading strategies. Third, more order types. MT5 offers more types of orders such as market pending, stop limit and others, which gives traders again more flexibility in executing trades. Then there's more asset classes. What really why I like MT5 is MT4 was built for Forex and really struggles to add on the markets like stocks, commodities, the ones you might want to get into and are disappointed when you open up the MT4 broker and find them not there. MT5, no problem there. All those asset classes, stocks, futures, options, they're all in there on top of Forex. So it's going to expand the range of trading opportunities. Then there's an improved strategy tester. MT5 strategy tester is more advanced, and you can test and optimize trading strategies more effectively, and also more charting options. You can have the ability to display up to 100 charts at once if you really needed to, but you can also see and analyze data a lot quicker and more assets simultaneously. Then you've got other things like you can add in economic calendar integration, so you can see what's going on in the markets and what could impact price. Your depth of market. The MT5's depth of market feature allows traders to see the order book and flow for a particular asset, again giving you more information on market sentiment and potential price movements. And number 9, multi-currency strategy testing. MT5 strategy tester, an upgrade from the MT4 version, allows traders to test their strategies on multiple currency pairs at once. Now, I've sat there waiting a long time for some of those MT4 ones to tick over. This one, multiple at once, and you can easily see then identify correlations and potential trading opportunities. Finally, number 10, improved security. MT5 has got better security features compared to MT4, and it has the ability to encrypt communication between client and server, which is going to help protect sensitive information and prevent hacking. So those are my 10, and they really are, once you've played around with MT4 and then MT5, can see that MT5 really is the future. Now, I've heard this on the grapevine, and this is my big special sort of extra reason why you probably want to concentrate on MT5, especially if you're new to trading and wondering, well, should I go with MT4 or MT5? Well, that big one is that MT4 is, what I've heard, is probably likely to be phased out. Now, there are a lot of brokers keeping it alive for many reasons. I don't want to move to the MT5 world, but you know, now's your chance to get into MT5. Find a broker that offers MT5. Got some suggestions on the channel that you can check out, but that's a good enough a reason as any to like start your journey in MT5. But those 10 reasons that I've thrown at you there, all very good, very strong case points for why you want to use MT5 over MT4 now. So in my opinion, unless you are a sole forex trader, then I don't really see the point of using MT4 at the moment, especially if you're new to trading. You want to get in, use a more flexible, advanced platform, then MT5 is the way forward. And the biggest thing to me is the asset classes that it offers. Yes, MT4 can offer a few of those asset classes, but it can't offer the depth. You know, those stocks, commodities that many of you want to trade just can't get onto that MT4 platform. And with the advancements in the technology and the platform, the whole package, to me, it makes sense to be on MT5. Let me know in the comments below what you think. You know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I've missed something, but to me MT5 is the way forward in that space. There are other options, web-based platforms, brokers, etc, etc, but if you're in that MT4, MT5 space, then hopefully those reasons that I've highlighted, you know, would make you, you know, at least consider having a look at MT5. So get yourself into an MT5 platform, download it. It's going to be completely free. Link in the description below to broker I use, and give it a go really. So if you're new to trading and want to learn, you know, a bit more about the ins and outs, you want to get yourself off and running, got a great playlist on the channel, the Ultimate Free Traders course there, and that link is coming up now.